Here with me I have Gianluca Bernini, the Framesi European Manager. Hello.
Hello, hello.
I would like to ask you some questions. Firstly, tell us about the vision of Framesi, of your company.
Thank you so much for the question. It's a very interesting one because we have a very clear vision because we talk about vision. Our vision is that Framesi is a company that is born in 1945 and our goal was to be professional only and delivery for the hairdresser the best products and service possible. And after so many years, because now we are facing in 2025, we are still with the same vision. So delivery the products only to the hairdresser and special products supported by education, because we believe that also in the future education is going to be the key in any case.
I agree if you ask me. I agree, education is the key indeed. Tell me about what's the added value of your new partnership here in Greece for Framesi? What's the added value?
Actually, is a big value because we share, first of all, the value and the mission. We have a common mission because also Michel Group, they are in favor to the education with their own academy, and they also believe with us that the key of the successful of the hairdresser is to be very well educated. But to be well educated, you need first to have knowledge, and we share knowledge with Michel Group. You need also to be focused, and we are focused also and only on hair. We don't have any other business. And then our mission that is let the hairdresser grow. And the key to grow, again, is focus and education.
That's indeed a clear message, a clear vision. Thank you so much. We'd like to be here with you. I hope you enjoy the HAIRFEST 2024.
Like we say, it's really an experience and we enjoy a lot this experience.
Because we give and we gain knowledge.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Ciao, thank you so much.